everyone, this is in Qidong area of Jiangsu Nantong. We're here at the production site of Balance Group. As far as we know, the Balance Group have different factories in Shanghai, in Guangzhou, and in Jiangsu. This one is in Qidong, which has 39,000 square meters, a very big production site. We have our vehicle lifts here. In our factory, we always serve our customer with care and with very unique, talented, and innovative design. And we have strong power in R&D. So please come to our live streaming of the 127th Canton Fair. You will enjoy all the great introduction of the products that made here and the other production site of Balance Group. See you in Canton Fair. Hope you will enjoy. This is really a very busy workshop. We are still in Qidong production site of Balance Group. This is the auto bending area. The machine works here ensures best quality and precision of bending operation. The precision can reach up to 0.5 mm. With 100% CNC control, the highly automation level guarantees the efficiency and consistency of the finished products. Now we are moving to auto welding area. This is the welding machine. It can ensure high precision during work. The quality of the finished products is very high. The consistency and reliability of our auto welding capacity made Balance Group famous around the world. Now I would like to show you some of the products we made. Please take a close look to the weld seam. It's quite neat and bright, almost shining. The customers are extremely satisfied with this perfect welding effect. This is the spray coating line of Qidong production site. We have been working hard to provide you with the best quality in every finished product. The inspection of products are extremely strict. You can see that the coating line is really long, and the color looks quite beautiful and flawless. We have won tremendous recognition of the smooth coating surface among our customers. Welcome to Balance production site to learn more about our spray coating line.
welcome back to our online broadcasting. We got many feedback yesterday. Our tire changer and wheel balance arose big interest from our audiences.
And Rebecca, there are 2 customers even placed the order and took their gifts home.
Really? What are the products they ordered?
They bought our recommended series G22 and G66.
Well, it's a good choice. So, if you are looking for tire changer and wheel balance, you can still talk with us today.
Yes, even though today our SIM is lift. If you are interested in any tire changer or wheel balancer, just click instant message to contact with us.
We will focus on vehicle lift today. So, Natasha, what is the schedule today?
Today we have 4 introductions. In the first part, we will introduce straighten middle rise lift. One is portable, another one is fixed type, but all of them are very suitable for garage equipment in small size or middle size.
And in the second part, we will introduce a big platform scissor lift. It is 4 tons, and also you can see there are 2 types of rolling jack. One is manual type, and another one is electrical type. You can see there is a wheel alignment. So work together, they will be able to do wheel alignment together. Natasha, what is the next?
And in the third introduction, we will show you some battery lift for hybrid cars. Model number is DP5 and DP7. We believe those models could be the trend of the future. And the third part, Rebecca will introduce a little bit. Yeah.
The last part, we will introduce 2 post lift to you. One is clear floor, and another one is base plate. Both of them are 4 tons. And now we will give an introduction of our most exciting part, promotion.
Yes. Just check here, everything is free for our customers.
Yes, and our host, we will give a brief and introduction of the promotion.
And the information will be released during the broadcasting, so just keep watching our shows.
So let's start the show and welcome our host.
Yeah, welcome.
bienvenidos a nuestro directo.
Welcome to our live streaming.
Welcome to our live streaming.
Welcome to our live
streaming.
9, 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You're all friends of Balance Group. Just like my colleagues, cute Rebecca and Natasha has mentioned, today you will still enjoy a great introduction of the products that are made in our group. And you're also welcome to come to the communication room, leave your message, and go to the instant messenger to talk with our sales representatives to learn more about the products and the promotions. So today, I'm the sales representative. My name is Jacqueline. I'm working on our store. So during the Canton Fair, we are very busy. So today, I'm working at the store. Let's see that today, what customers will come up here. So will there be any? I believe there will be a lot of customers coming to see our products. Coming. Hi, hello.
Hello.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
Yeah, welcome to Balance. My name is Jacqueline. I'm the sales representative.
My name is Sergio from Spain. Nice to meet you.
Oh, Sergio from Spain. So nice to meet you, Mr. Sergio. So, are you interested today?
I hear that you have a model of higher class that is called Zeta E30M, right?
Oh, well. So today we have a lot of scissor lifts. You are looking for the scissor lifts, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, Mr. Sergio has already heard about the Z30M because that it is really a very popular model. So I would like to ask our engineer to bring the model for you. So
Yes.
Mr. Fan, would you please help us to bring our mobile scissor lift Z30M here? Okay. So just look at here. Mr.
Yes, this is
Sergio.
the Zeta 30 LM.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So this one is very popular. As you can see that this one is very thin.
Okay.
And the minimum height can be 150 mm. You would like to
Okay.
come closer to have a
Yes.
closer look of the products?
Yes. So this is mobile, right? This is
Yes. So when we lifted that, it can reach 960 mm. It's very easy to operate. So this one can also come with the oil drainer. So
Okay.
later, I will let Mr. Fan, our engineer, to operate this machine for you.
okay.
Okay. So,
Our market, I have another question. Our
Yes.
market has very strict requirements for CE. This machine meets the CE market?
yes, sure. We have 100% C standard. But first of all, please have a look at this. This one is very easy to move. And the maximum height can meet 960 mm. It's very easy
good.
for any technician and operators to operate. So you would like to take a picture?
Yes, for
Yes.
sure.
Okay. Oh. Yeah. So it is 3 tons, 3,000 kg. It can support most of the cars in the market.
Okay, very good, Jacqueline.
Yeah.
But I have another question. For example,
look
it's
at the
like
platform.
this is the platform for
Yeah.
longer vehicles.
Yes, extendable.
Okay, okay. But Jacqueline, in the market there are a lot of similar products like this. So can you tell me what make it special? This product?
Wow, this product is really very special. So, for example, this one is 100% C certificate, and we have a high limit switch as well. So, and also it has electromagnetic. So, we can also have an electromagnetic stop. So when you lower to 300 mm, it will automatically stop. Only when you restart it, it will come down and with
Okay.
an alarm. So
Okay,
look at here. So see, you can see how we are operating on the machine.
Yes.
Very easy to operate.
Yes. Okay, very nice.
Yeah. And talking about how unique it is, we are very easy to operate and it can save a lot of time. For example, you don't need to dig a pitch. So it's no change work included.
Okay.
And it's very mobile. You
Yes.
can move that to anywhere you want to work on. It can also be worked both indoors and outdoors. And it can work together with an oil drainer as well.
Okay, it's very
Yeah.
good that can move.
Yeah, you
Yes,
see
because.
here, it is really very thin, right?
Oh, okay, yeah.
You like
And
to
also-
feel that?
and
You
also-
like to feel that?
Yes, and also you can put this,
Yeah.
and the car can goes. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
You can let Mr. Fun to operate that for you.
Yes. This is very good. This is I
Yes.
like it.
You like it? Okay,
Yes.
that is very good. So, like, see,
But-
we also have the control console.
Okay.
Use the control console to control the platform.
Okay. Very nice. But Jacqueline, you have another models of scissors higher car?
Higher than that? Okay, so for 960 mm, it's already enough for most technicians to operate on that. But if you have other requirements, we also have like this one, Z30LM.
Okay.
The maximum height can reach 1010 millimeter.
Okay, it's nice. Yeah.
So that can meet a lot of requirements.
Yeah. It's very nice.
How do you like it?
Yes, I like it. I like it a lot. Yes, I like these platforms. These mobile platforms is very
Yeah.
nice.
So for this kind of products, we are very high efficient. You know that because we want to save time.
Yes.
So let me ask you a question. Sometimes if you
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I need to know, could you be the one to call when I lose control?
Z30M series is mobile scissor lift. It means it can be used for any place with the mobile wheels. It just has simply 3 steps to move this machine. Rise a little the machine. Install the wheels. And then down the lift. Take the lift to anywhere that you need. Z30M is your best choice for the tire changing season. Every spring and late autumn when we need to change tires, a large number of cars rush in. Saving customers time and improving the efficiency of your shop relies on the movable lifts. The M series lift is full electric control with easiest operation. Also, same safety descending stop and alarm and height limit switch are included. In order to sell machines in different markets, it is important to build products to meet local requirements, like CE marking, EAC, TUV and etc. Most of our machines are CE marked. If your market has specific requirements, just let us know. We will help to send products for testing and gain the related reports to meet your needs. There are 3 machines in this series. Z25M is 2.5 tone and the max height is 960 mm. Z30M is 3 tone, max height is 960 mm. The newest upgraded type is Z30LM. The max height is up to 1010 mm. This series machine supplied with 4 extensible rear ramp for lifting. What is more, we provide custom color service. It is a huge benefit of Unite mid-rise scissor lift to make you have a 360-degree access to the vehicle. It is also great for valeting mechanical working on suspension brakes. It is perfect for tire fitters. Z30M series scissor lift. You deserve it.
So you see that it is very easy to operate, and then
Yes.
we can move that to the height
Yes.
that ensure that the engineer or the technician guys or the operator guys can work on that. And the maximum height can reach 960 mm. And that can
Okay.
meet most of the requirements of the market.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
This is enough. Okay,
Right.
and this is like
Okay,
very
see?
easy to.
And this one, it is
Okay.
the extended platform.
Yes, for longer vehicles, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So it is very flexible.
Okay. Yeah.
And with the support of the 3,000 kgs, right? It can support of the most of the cars. You will feel that it is very easy moving
Yes.
upwards and downwards. And also, we have an electromagnetic descending. See, when we descend to 300 millimeter here, you have automatic
this is
stop,
emergency. Okay,
right?
okay.
And then if you would like to restart it and lower lane to the low height, they will have alarm.
Okay.
So
okay,
you
yes.
know that whether there are any obstacles that you need to move them away if necessary. So you would like to feel that? It is really very thin. It is
Yes.
really very thin, right?
Yes,
Here.
yes.
Yeah.
And also
See?
here we do. Okay. So and very easy to move.
Yeah, and very easy to move.
Yes,
So
that's
that
right.
is why this one can use both indoors and outdoors.
Very good.
Flexible.
Yes, I like this. I already hear about this model.
So let me brief you once again. So this one, it is quite flexible and it doesn't require the ditch work.
Okay. Yeah.
So
yeah.
you don't need to
Yes.
go into dig. So that saves a lot of troubles.
Yes. It's true. It's true.
Yeah,
Just with
right.
this, it's like, and you move it.
Yeah, it's very easy to move around. And with this oil drainer,
Yeah.
it can be used as well. We have this optional for you.
This is optional.
Yeah, this is optional.
Okay. This is optional. Okay. So this. Okay. Yeah. I know how to
Right.
use
This one is also very easy to use that. So, are there anything else you would like to know?
I would like to ask you. You have, because even I hear that you have more models about higher car lifts, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If you are interested in that, we also have Z30LM. So for Z30M, it is 960 millimeter.
Okay.
But for LM, for this model, we can reach up to 1,010 mm. So that can meet the requirements of the customers.
Yes.
If
Yes.
you
with
have
this
this
is enough.
specific needs.
Yes. With this is enough for working. Yes.
Yeah.
It's very nice. I like the
So
design.
for the conclusion, let me show you that you will have the general look of the whole machine. This one, it is very friendly to operator. It saves a lot of time. It is high efficiency, and it works very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Very well. Okay.
okay. So,
This model, I like it. This model looks like strong.
okay.
Yes.
So, do you also have a lot of such these machines?
Yes.
in the
Yes.
workshop?
I already hear about this, and also this
Okay.
very, very useful because sometimes we need to go out for the.
Yes,
for
right.
the-
So
for
this
the
one can be
garage.
worked in the outdoors very well. Okay, so if you are interested, there are some other models I'm going to show you. So why not
Yes.
just follow me, and later I will introduce you with more products.
Okay.
Okay.
I need to know, could you be the one to call when I lose control?
Z30M series is mobile scissor lift. It means it can be used for any place with the mobile wheels. It just has simply 3 steps to move this machine. Rise a little the machine. Install the wheels. And then down the lift. Take the lift anywhere that you need. Z30M is your best choice for the tire changing season. Every spring and late autumn when we need to change tires, a large number of cars rush in. Saving customers time and improving the efficiency of your shop relies on the movable lifts. The M series lift is full electric control with easiest operation. Also, same safety descending stop and alarm and height limit switch are included. In order to sell machines in different markets, it is important to build products to meet local requirements, like CE marking, EAC, TUV and etc. Most of our machines are CE marked. If your market has specific requirements, just let us know. We will help to send products for testing and gain the related reports to meet your needs. There are 3 machines in this series. Z25M is 2.5 ton and the max height is 960 mm. Z30M is 3-tone, max height is 960 mm. The newest upgraded type is Z30LM. The max height is up to 1010 mm. This series machine supplied with 4 extensible rear ramp for lifting. What has more, we provide custom color service. It is a huge benefit of Unite mid-rise scissor lift to make you have a 360-degree access to the vehicle. It is also great for valeting mechanical working on suspension brakes. It is perfect for tire fitters. Z30M series scissor lift. You deserve it.
Could you be the one to call when I lose control?
Z30M series is mobile scissor lift. It means it can be used for any place with the mobile wheels. It just has simply 3 steps to move this machine. Rise a little the machine. Install the wheels. And then down the lift. Take the lift to anywhere that you need. Z30M is your best choice for the tire changing season. Every spring and late autumn when we need to change tires, a large number of cars rush in. Saving customers time and improving the efficiency of your shop relies on the movable lifts. The M series lift is full electric control with easiest operation. Also, same safety descending stop and alarm and height limit switch are included. In order to sell machines in different markets, it is important to build products to meet local requirements, like CE marking, EAC, TUV and etc. Most of our machines are CE marked. If your market has specific requirements, just let us know. We will help to send products for testing and gain the related reports to meet your needs. There are 3 machines in this series. Z25M is 2.5 tone and the max height is 960 mm. Z30M is 3-tone, max height is 960 mm. The newest upgraded type is Z30LM. The max height is up to 1010 mm. This series machine supplied with 4 extensible rear ramp for lifting. What has more, we provide custom color service. It is a huge benefit of Unite mid-rise scissor lift to make you have a 360-degree access to the vehicle. It is also great for valeting mechanical working on suspension brakes. It is perfect for tire fitters. Z30M series scissor lift. You deserve it.
You know I'm gonna get.
Hello, Jacqueline.
Yes?
I want to ask you something. Sometimes we need to handle just under long vehicles.
Ah, long vehicles.
Yes.
Right.
Could you give me some advice or some tips for that?
Yeah, sure. For long vehicles, we have a full-rise scissor lift. Just have a look. This is one U-B30AY. So this one, it is very special. It's also quite a popular equipment we have. So, are you interested in that, in the popular machine, right? You should, firstly, you can have a look. The design is very special. It looks quite good, right? It's almost shiny. So, just feel these products, and then let me introduce you some of the very special features of these products. So, firstly, it is one has an air vent. So, for the leveling of this equipment, the leveling is very easy. It is very convenient as well. The leveling of the machine, that is the first part. See, our engineer will operate that for you, and then you can feel it.
Yes, it's very high.
Okay, so when we're lifting that,
Yes, even I can stay.
it is higher, right? It is higher than the other models you have just seen.
Yes.
The maximum height can reach 1,850 millimeters.
Yes, even higher.
But there are some other things I need to let you know. For example, this platform, see, it is extendable.
Yes, this is
extendable platform,
yes. Okay, this we can.
and also very strong as well.
Yes, it's very strong. Okay.
3,000
How many?
kg.
3,000 kg.
Yeah, 3,000 kg.
Yes. Here.
It is
Okay.
3 times. Have a look at here.
Okay.
And then this one, it is also very thin. So you don't need to do the ditch work.
Oh,
see?
okay, okay, okay. Okay.
So you would like to feel that. That is very easy to operate. Our engineers operate on the panel.
Yes,
For
this is
you.
the panel control. Okay, up and down.
Yeah. Look at here. It also have more oil cylinders. Yeah, more oil cylinders. In order to have a very strong and reliable machine, we have redesigned the supporting structure of these
Okay.
oil cylinders.
Okay, okay.
We know that in all the workshops and all their bosses, they have very high concern about the safety of the workers or
Yes.
everything. So this one has been designed very well and quite strong.
Okay, sounds like this is like
Yeah.
can make this kind of.
Yeah, and it can ensure a quick startup work as well.
So this is doesn't need any ditch work, right?
No, it
for
doesn't need
setup?
any ditch work.
Okay, and this machine match with all requirements of the CE.
Yeah, of course. But before this, I introduce you about the CE standards. There is something else I need you to know. So
Okay.
firstly, the maximum height is 1,850 millimeter. So go up again. So on the maximum height, yeah, it's very easy for the operators to doing the under chassis work.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right? It's very easy for them to do the under chassis work. But it can lower to 960 mm and or 1,000 mm. So for this height, it is easier for them to change the tires or
Yes,
exchange
yes.
oil.
Okay,
So
yeah, yeah.
that is why I think that this machine, it is really very good because you buy one, you can support under chassis work, and you can also do the tire changing or the exchanging oil like as well.
Okay. As far as I'm quite faithful that both of the machines has CE certificate.
Yes, now it comes to CE. All our equipments are 100% for CE.
Yes.
And in order to meet different markets requirements, we can also do the certificates for you.
Yes.
So see, this is electromagnetic descending.
Yes.
So when it descends to 300 millimeter, it will automatically stop. Only when you restart it, it will slowly goes down and we see a line. So that is very safe.
Okay, but this this model, this is B30
This is B30AY.
AY. Okay, this is higher. This is can be higher than the Cita 30.
Just like we have introduced, Z30M is 960 mm, the maximum height. Z30LM is 1,010 millimeter. But this one, the maximum height is 1,850.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even I can go extend. I
Both
don't
for under chassis
Yes.
and the tire changing.
Yeah, I think it's
so
more than
let me
enough.
are there anything else that you are interested about this machine?
need. Yes, more or less is. We see
Yeah.
everything here. Yes, this is a
Right.
festival. Okay, this is.
Yeah, this is very good. Just like I said, not just for CE standards. If you have any other requirements for ESC or TUV, we can also do it for you.
Okay, very nice, very nice. I like
Okay.
it.
So,
I like this one.
yeah, okay. So
Okay.
thank you very much for listening to my introduction. Later, I will show you some other great products.
You know I'm gonna get.
B30Y series lift is easy to operate and quick installation that no need to dig a pit. Its platform is extendable, provides a longer support for long vehicles. The lifting height of B30A is 1,850 mm that the technician can access the car chassis conveniently. Of course, it can be lifted to a lower height like 96 mm or 1000 mm to change the tire or exchange oil. It saves workshop space, and you do not need to spend extra money on different types of scissor lift for tire and under-chassis jobs. One machine does the work of two. FAT lock is the standard for CE requirements of the machine. Also, same safety descending stop and alarm and height limit switch are included. In order to sell machines in different markets, it's important to build products to meet local requirements, like CE marking, EAC, TUV and etc. Most of our machines are CE marked. If your market has specific requirements, just let us know. We will help to send products for testing and gain the related reports to meet your needs. B30Y is the top sale ultra thin scissor lift. B30AY features an automatic leveling new design. B30Y series lift is supposed to be a great benefit for a workshop, especially when a quick startup is desired. Deserve it.
D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters. It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for four-wheel alignment. D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack. Now you can see the manual rolling jack, controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters. Now lift the vehicle with the electric rolling jack. Let's check the 3D wheel alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. It has high accurate, and it is very stable, and no perform calibration is needed at any time. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time. Roll the vehicle to complete the compensation quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes. Electric cars are becoming more and more popular. To make battery maintenance easier, we developed a new lift table UDP7. It allows technicians to handle heavy vehicle battery and transmission with less effort. The capacity of the lift table is 1.2 tons with adjustable working height. Its minimum height is 800 millimeters and can be lifted up to 1,800 millimeters max. The platform UDP7 is a multi-angle and multi-direction lifting table. It is adjustable to meet the diverse angles, giving a steady holding of battery or transmission. The lift table provides a safe and efficient solution for under-vehicle tasks such as engine, transmission, hybrid battery, and subframe works to be carried out. For a convenient observation of leveling of the platform, we place a gradienter on the lift table. The uniformly distributed threaded holes are cleaned up for attaching a wide variety of supports. The table is double safety guaranteed by both hydraulic and mechanical safety locks. Remote controlled by the operator is allowed. Most jobs can be handled by one person. UDP7 is your trusted partner for a fast and secure removing and mounting vehicle battery and transmission operation. Maintain a transmission and electric car battery. Try our UDP7 lift table. D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters. It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for four-wheel alignment. D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack. Now you can see the manual rolling jack, controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters. Now lift the vehicle with the electric rolling jack. Let's check the 3D wheel alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. It has high accurate, and it is very stable, and no perform calibration is needed at any time. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time. Roll the vehicle to complete the compensation quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes. Electric cars are becoming more and more popular. To make battery maintenance easier, we developed a new lift table UDP7. It allows technicians to handle heavy vehicle battery and transmission with less effort. The capacity of the lift table is 1.2 tons with adjustable working height. Its minimum height is 800 millimeters and can be lifted up to 1,800 millimeters max. The platform UDP7 is a multi-angle and multi-direction lifting table. It is adjustable to meet the diverse angles, giving a steady holding of battery or transmission. The lift table provides a safe and efficient solution for under-vehicle tasks such as engine, transmission, hybrid battery, and subframe works to be carried out. For a convenient observation of leveling of the platform, we place a gradienter on the lift table. The uniformly distributed threaded holes are cleaned up for attaching a wide variety of supports. The table is double safety guaranteed by both hydraulic and mechanical safety locks. Remote control by the operator is allowed. Most jobs can be handled by one person. UDP7 is your trusted partner for a fast and secure removing and mounting vehicle battery and transmission operation. Maintain a transmission and electric car battery. Try our UDP7 lift table.
The max height is up to 1,010 millimeter. This series machine supplied with 4 extensible rear ramp for lifting. What has more, we provide custom color service. It is a huge benefit of Unite mid-rise scissor lift to make you have a 360-degree access to the vehicle. It is also great for valeting mechanical working on suspension brakes. It is perfect for tire fitters. Z30M series scissor lift. You deserve it.
Hello friends, I'm Rebecca.
I'm Natasha.
Today we are going to introduce a mid-rise center lift to you.
As you know, we are girls. We have no garage experience and we don't know anything before I sell those machines. But today we really want to introduce you a very user-friendly machine, our scissor lift
UB30AY.
Why I want this model? Because if I were shop owner, I really concern the maximum height of the lift.
So let's show our audience
the
why maximum height.
Yes, here. Okay, right now it's the maximum height, and my own height is 1.65 meters, which means for the average European people, their average height is 1.8 and to 1.9. So it's quite easy for them to stand beneath the lift, then fix everything. But Rebecca, I'd like to let this lift go up a little bit.
Okay, I'll do this.
Okay, you heard the sound. We cannot do that. Why not? Because there is a limit switch. Any camera can come here to take the view of the height limit switch. This model, yes, I want my customer to see it. Yeah, because under this height, our oil cylinder suffered a great pressure. So with this limit switch, it protects our oil cylinder, also the operator. That's why we cannot go maximum height a little bit higher. And Rebecca, I want to know if you were shop owner, what other things you were concerned?
I think for the audience, they will concern if it can use to repairing the wheels. So Natasha, lower down and we show them.
Yeah. Maybe you should go a little bit closer to our machine.
Yes,
Yeah?
okay. I think it's about 960 millimeters will be better.
Yeah, let me try that.
Okay.
Maybe here?
Now it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I stop. You see?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's
Quite
most
good for you?
suitable. Yeah.
Okay.
And now I'll show you the platform. From here to here is 1.45 meter, and we are standard with platform extensible. And also here, now the length is 1.05 meter. And also we are standard with 4 rubber pads. It's well protected for the vehicle chassis.
Okay, then I want to show another point. Also, I need a camera here to take the CE stop. Okay, just this point here, all right? Okay, with CE stop, the machine, when machine lower down around 250 millimeters, the machine will stop automatically. Then unless you press down button, the machine will not go down. It protects our operator to avoid any possible danger. Besides, we also have safety anti-explosive valve inside the main oil cylinder, but you cannot see, but we have.
It's a protection for the hydraulic system.
Yeah. So when your air system, oil system, or electric system has any problem, the anti-explosive valve will start to work, and the machine will not drop down very sharply, but slowly. Then you have time to get away from the danger.
Yes, it will be safe for you.
Yeah. So how about we go there? Yeah. Show other functions. Okay. Now we want the machine to go down. 有是按得到吗？
是。要讲风云。
You see, stopped. When I press again, it go down.
Yes, you can hear the alarms. It will remind the operator to keep clear
from the danger.
Yes.
Okay, now we go here. See the
minimum height here.
Yeah.
It's about 105 millimeters, so it's very slim.
So you can just install this machine on the floor. It will not take much spaces, but it's more easy for you to operate.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if you want to know more information of our lift, you can contact with us by click the instant message, and you will get the response.
Or you can search from Facebook Balance Group to see any detail of our machines. That's all for today. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
You know I'm gonna get.
D4.
You know I'm gonna get.
Okay, everyone. everyone. Now I would like to introduce you a great wheel alignment. You know that the wheel alignment is very important for any repair shops because it can ensure a great driving experience. It can provide you with the optimal drivability. Besides that, with the alignment of the wheels, it can also ensure a longer tire life as well. So today, I would like to introduce you with our PL-3D-5555U. This is also one of the star products of our company because we know that this product has a very high precision. Before, the customers, they will not believe that this precision can be so high and so good. But after they try these products and compare to the products from the USA or Italy, and they find out that the balance groups alignment, it is really great. Now I would like to move to this wheel alignment and let our engineer, Mr. Pham, to operate on this machine. And then I would like to ask all of you to have a closer look, and we will explain to you. Thank you very much. Now, please follow me. 小朋友现在可以操作了，然后每一步都解释给我听。Okay, now please look at on this screen. 每一步介绍。第一步是什么？ So the first step, we would like to start the procedure. 你要不停地说话。Okay, so now let's look at this. So the first step is to test whether it is operation. Yeah. Now we comes into the procedure. This is the time for you to select the right car models. We have the database here and so many different car models. Try to find the right one. 继续. So we find the right car models. This one is Audi Q7. And confirm. Tap on confirm, and then we comes into the next step. Here we have the original data. This is the factory default data of this car model. Now we comes to the measurement. The first step, it is that we have just fixed the steer. Now, please follow every step of our engineer. It is very easy to operate. Now we have to move the car. Please have a closer look. So, okay, here. So now we start to move this vehicle. Follow the move of our engineer. Yeah, so please come here. So, okay, now we have to start that. Move. Okay, so you see that we can operate on this interface. It's very easy to understand with a lot of different figures here. And these numbers are those ones you need to adjust it. All the data you need to adjust it are already displayed here. And the operator, when they operate on this equipment, they will just follow all the instructions which are very clear on this interface. And this also has an automatic tracking system. It can auto-track for the cars to go up or down. So now let's see how we are operation. See, our engineer is tapping the button and then we lift the car. Okay, now we would like to show you how we can control on this control console so that the car will move up and down. Very easy. Okay, let's show you once again because this is a very important feature. Okay, now it's time for us to operate that once again. Okay, start. And then press the button. Very easy. See, the car has been lifted to a certain height. Very smoothly. very stable. This is one of the most reliable machines we have in our factory. Okay. When the car lift is moving up, and those cameras are checking automatically, and they will also move up automatically as well. See, now we are descending. Okay, now we move to the next part. Here, follow the interface. Okay, now look at here. Tap here, and then we come to inspecting the tire pressure. Now we have to test the steer. And also here, the visual 3D wheel alignment. These are all the operation procedures. So when you get this equipment from us, because the interface has already shown you almost all the instructions, so it's very easy to follow. You can save a lot of time on training your people. Okay, now we finished the introduction of this wheel alignment. We would like to see a great partner of this wheel alignment, the lift. Because here we have ultra-thin scissor lift, which is a great partner of wheel alignment. And the feature of this is to ditch this. You don't need to do any change work. So you don't need to do the change work on any ground. So that is very fit for all kinds of different repair shops. So you can fit for the surface, ground, and structure of almost all kinds of structures. So that can fit for different workshops, especially for the mid and end users. Because when they want to do the installation work or the operation work on the ground, that really take much work, right? Especially for those floors that has already been decorated. So now you can have a closer look of this ultra-thin scissor lift. The minimum height is only 200 millimeters. And now we can descend this machine for you to have a closer look. So this height, 200 millimeters, that can meet for almost all kinds of different car models, especially for those ultra low chassis. Okay, so we will wait slowly, see, for this lift to descend to the ground. Okay, see here, the installation on this ground now, this is only 200 millimeters, really ultra thin. The biggest characteristics which can attract a lot of customers is that it is the best partner for the wheel alignment. The reason for that, I will share with you. So first of all, let's see here. Okay, so this is adjustable cover. Okay, so now I would like to ask the engineer to show it for us. Oh, this is the turntable here. Have a closer look. The turntable is to work together with the operation of wheel alignment, and they can reduce the abrasion of the wheels. So, okay, now let's look at on the back or the rear part of the car. So here, okay, we have a side slip. I will ask our engineer to show it to you, the side slip. So this is also work together with the wheel alignment. So we're cooperating with the height of the D40B, so that can ensure a high accuracy of our measurement data. So it can really help you to get your customer and win the customer. And that is the best helper to the wheel alignment. And also the best helper in your workshop. Now let's go back to their main characteristics, especially for the customers in the Europes. So we know that safety, it is the biggest concern for these customers. For the D40B, it can do a lot of things. So now I would like to ask our engineer to show us the maximum height. Now we strictly control the height, and the maximum height can be 1,700 millimeters. Now let's wait and have a closer look. Okay, the camera will show you the height switch, the height limiter switch, height limiter switch. So, Mr. Fang, could you please show us where is the height limiter switch? So, when this vehicle is lifted to 1,700 millimeters, we will have this height limiter switch to ensure that it will not move up beyond the limit so that we can avoid the damage. Secondly, we also have the descending switch. And then I would like to ask our engineer to show us about the position. And the camera will give you a very clear look of this secondary limiter switch. So just follow our engineer. So this is the one for the secondary descending. And the main function is that when this whole car lift has been lowered to 300 millimeters, we can ensure that the operators can see that whether there are any obstacles that they need to move away necessary. So that is a very important guarantee for safety. Okay, now I would like to ask Mr. Fan to show you how is the magnetic descending function. Okay, here is moving slowly, 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 descending slowly, slowly, slowly. We can see that is quite stable, and the two platforms can move synchronously with each other. So let's pay close attention. When it's 350 millimeters, it will be alarm, automatic alarm. So see, you will hear the alarm. This is the function of the automatic alarming. Okay, we'll just stop like here. And our safety valve is also a must, which has been equipped on every type of our equipment, safety valve. The function of the safety valve is to ensure that after the speed of the descending can be very slow, and ensure that all the operators' safety. So when people are working under or beneath this vehicle, we can ensure their safety. This is the safety valve, highly security. So now I would like to show you the optoelectric switch. A lot of people don't know what are they for. So I would like to ask you to show us where is the optoelectric switch. So after the car lifted to a certain height, our engineer will show us. So during the moving up and down, so see here, with the control of the optoelectric, once we find that these two things are not moving synchronously or are not on the same leveling limit, so this one will ensure the safety. So please come here to take a closer look of the optoelectric switch. Yeah, here. Okay, now we would like to give you a demo. This is an infrared sensor. So if you put something as an obstacle and that the sensor could not feel the infrared, see what will happen. Yeah. So you have already had see that very clearly, right? Okay, lastly, there's another very important feature. Let's see the safety lock. So here, this one, yeah. So what is the function of the safety lock? This one, it is also one of the core parts of the safety and security of the whole vehicle. With this one, we can fix or lock the equipment at any position. See how we're operating that. So every equipment have these double teeth jaws. I would like to ask our engineer to show you where are the jaws. So it's here, which can ensure that when our people are operating that, it can ensure a very stable stop and quite reliable. So you don't need to worry about the safety anymore. So this is the introduction of that. Thank you very much for your watching.
D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters. It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for four-wheel alignment. D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack. Now you can see the manual rolling jack, controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters. Now lift the vehicle with the electric rolling jack. Let us check the 3D wheel alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. It has high accurate, and it is very stable, and no perform calibration is needed at any time. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time. Roll the vehicle to complete the compensation quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes.
Okay, safety, safety, safety. D40B is definitely the best choice for any mid or large sized of the repair shops. One machine for multiple uses. It can ensure that it's of the inspections and there of the tire changer, all kind of different functions, so the camera can move with us. So for D40B, it can work together with the rolling jack. So now we will move into the rolling jack. So here we have 2 rolling jacks, the secondary rolling jacks, and we will ask our engineer to operate on the rolling jack so we have a more clear understanding. So positioning and then moving up, moving very convenient. So here, This rolling jack can provide our users with the services of the demounting of the tires. So just follow our engineer. Okay, here, look at here. This is a function of our vehicle, of our rolling jack. Now, moving to the front. Let's see here with the two rolling jack how will work on this equipment. So here, this one is electrical control. And also, on the rear side, we also have one is manual control. I would like to ask our engineer to use the manual control secondary rolling jack, and you will have idea how it is used. The manually controlled. Here. This manually controlled secondary rolling jack is really quite convenient because they can buy it back and install by themselves. Okay. These are the main functions of D40B. Our D40B has provided with you great platforms and which can be suitable for all types of vehicles and high precision, high safety, and definitely suitable for your workshop. Best choice, don't miss it. Thank you very much for watching. If you really want to learn more about our products, please click on our product list on the left side, and then you can come to talk with our sales representative with a one-to-one chat. Thank you very much. Thank you.
D40B is an above-ground alignment lift with a minimum height of 180 millimeters. It is equipped with abrasion-resistant slip plates for four-wheel alignment. D40B is a CE certificated lift. Let's see some safety points of it. It has safety descending stop and height limit switch. The following are the optional configuration. Turntable, the position is adjustable and can be suitable for various vehicles. The photoelectric switch can monitor the level of platforms. LED light is available. Rolling jacks is optional. Manual control, pneumatic control, and electric control available. This is the electric rolling jack. Now you can see the manual rolling jack, controlled by a manual hydraulic pump. The length of the telescopic arm is maximum 1,600 millimeters. The height of the adjustable lifting tray is 30 to 65 millimeters. Now lift the vehicle with the electric rolling jack. Let's check the 3D wheel alignment. It's the best couple for wheel alignment lift. It has high accurate, and it is very stable, and no perform calibration is needed at any time. The camera bar tracks 4 targets automatically, more convenient and widespread measurement in a shorter time. Roll the vehicle to complete the compensation quickly to get the measurement data in 2 minutes.
Good morning, welcome back. So here, this is a balance group live streaming. Today, we know that the environmental pollution is really a serious issue. Right now, the governments in every country have attached a great importance for the improvement of NEV, the technology of these electrical vehicle cars. We also push that these new energy cars become the major trend today. So we know that the NEV will definitely be the trend for the future. So that is why the battery lift will also become the trend of this market as well. In 2018, our company has already started on the R&D of NEV battery lifts. In order to let you understand about our equipment better, today I would like to introduce you our battery lifts here, and I will give you a lot of details. So today we would like to introduce the U-DP5. These lifts can lift all kinds of different batteries within 1,000 kg. So if the battery is within 1,000 kg, this can lift. And the biggest feature is it can be movable. It is quite transmissible. So right now, I would like to ask our engineer to show you. Okay, so firstly, the bottom of the battery lift have 4 circumferential wells. And here we also have 2 brakes as well. And we shall see that it's moving quite flexible and quite convenient. Can you have a look? Yeah, can you see that? Okay, so we will move that once again for you so that you will have a more clear look. Okay, can you see that? Yeah. U-DP5 has electrical control and pneumatic control. You can make your choice which one you like. And also, you can select the right model based on the real condition of your workshop. Here, in our side, this lift is electrical control one. So here, please just have a closer look. So for example here, there's a remote control. You can use that to operate the ups and downs of these lifts very easily. I would like to ask our engineer to show it to you. Now up. Okay. So here, there's another small trick that we provided for you. And I would like to ask our engineer to show you the switch. Yeah. So here, on the left side of the machine, there's a switch. Okay, so please, I would like to ask the camera to move closer for you to have a more clear look. So this lift switch, when it puts on the vertical way, it can control the lift of this platform. So here, we can see that the switch is controlling the up and down of this equipment. And through this switch adjustment, when it adjusts to the horizontal direction, it can control the tilting of this platform, the inclination of this platform. Okay, here I would like to show you. Okay, now, this is a demonstration. Now we know that with this controllable platform, we can adjust the inclination, the tilting of this platform. And next, I would like to ask our engineer to show you that this one can move circularly, 360 degrees. So here, move forward and backward. So here, we can ensure that the battery will meet with the platform seamlessly, and that can satisfy with all kinds of different assembly conditions of the battery. Okay, now there are three slippage structure. They are the reinforcement bars. So there are a lot of, there's nearly 8 cm high. So that is for after the dismemberment of the batteries, and then we can transfer it very easily. On here we have the pad, which can ensure the insulation and buffer. Okay, now we will see that on the bottom of the lift there is a box-type cabinet. This is the optional box-type toolbox. You can put some of the bulky tools inside that. For example, that some of the inspection tools, you can put that here. And if you are not sure whether there is a problem with the battery, you can just move this equipment to check the battery before you disassemble it. If that works okay, you don't need to disassemble that. We can avoid unnecessary operation. So this is the main features and the brief introduction of our equipment, DP5. Okay, now I would like to ask our engineer to simulate the operation of assemble and disassemble battery. Okay, let's wait for a second. So let's move that a little bit. Wait a second. Okay. So here we will see that the circumferential wheels are working quite well. Okay, so now I would like to ask our engineer to slowly move up our platform to an appropriate height. See, it's moving. The platform will move up slowly. And now we will adjust the switch, and that can be inclined up and down so that we can adjust the leveling. Okay, we will go once again to show you the detail. Now through the movement of the platform, and we will adjust the location of the platform to be more fit for the battery. Okay, thank you very much, our engineer. Through this introduction, I believe you already have a very general idea about how a DP5 is. And also, for the lifts, we know that safety, it is the most important concern. DP5 has a very strong hydraulic pressure system. We have the safety protection for that. It can avoid the explosion of the oil cylinder, which will cause the speed of the descending becomes too fast. DP5 use a very high quality pumping station, Italian seals, and also high polymer materials. This slippage material can ensure a high abrasion resistance function. So right now, I would like to see that whether you have any questions of our equipment, please click on our production list on the left, and then you can come into the instant message to have a one-to-one chat with our colleagues. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, thank you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. This is the live streaming of balance group. And now we know that the assembly of the car has to rely on the movement and the installation of the button of the vehicle. So that is why the new design in R&D series of U-DP7 lift can become a best helper to your work and operation. DP7 has a very special platform design, which can ensure that the repair shops to provide a better solutions. So, for example, it not just work as a disassemblement or assemblement tools for the battery. Besides, with the battery platform design, we can ensure the demounting of the gearbox as well. So here, I would like to ask you to look at all these adjustment holes on the platform. Please have a closer look here. And all these holes can ensure that we can support the tools that which you need to use for repair the cars or vehicles. And you can So, if the customers have any questions about the usage of this here. Besides this special hole design on the platform, we can also see that through the adjustment of the cross switch of this one, here, through the adjustment of the cross switch, we can move them up and down, so just follow the move of our engineer. So this is the cross switch. Right now, our engineer is doing the demonstration. So with this adjustment, we can ensure that during the operation of this platform, we can ensure that we will support the disassemblment of the gearbox. So there is another hidden function of the platform. So for example, when we extend the platform here, we can extend the length of the platform. And the other important feature is the safety. So for example, we have the height limit. So we can ensure that the oil cylinder will not be moved up beyond the capacity. So in this way, we can ensure the safety of moving up. So I would like to ask the camera to zoom in this place so that we can see the height limit. So remote control, it is also one of the special features of this equipment. So for example, use this remote controller, one person can finish the whole work. DP7, it will definitely be your reliable partner to work with you. It will ensure the rapidness, safety for the installation of the whole vehicle, gearbox, and the battery. And next, I would like to ask our engineer to move this DP7 beneath the vehicle and then show you some simulation operation as well. So let's wait for a second. So here, when we're moving down, there will be the alarm. Okay, now it's time for us to let the engineer to move this DP7 equipment beneath the vehicle. Now it's time for us to slowly move that, and we will show you the simulation operation beneath the vehicle. So come with me. So come with me. We want you to have a closer look. Okay, thank you very much. Close. Now we will slowly move up the platform. An adjustment is leveling. Now we are slowly moving it up. And next, I would like to bear the engineer to move it horizontally, so you will have a better understanding of the machine. Okay, now our engineer is moving this platform, so it's a horizontal adjustment of the platform. And now we are showing you how we can adjust the angle in order to match our operation demand. Okay, thank you very much, Klaus. Our dear friends, if you think that in your workshop you need to maintain the gearbox or the EV battery, you can try our DP7 equipment. This car lift, it will be definitely suitable for you. If you have any other questions about this DP7 equipment, please click on the one-to-one chat, the instant messenger, to talk with our sales representatives. You will understand better about this equipment. Thank you very much for watching.
Electric cars are becoming more and more popular. To make battery maintenance easier, we developed a new lift table UDP7. It allows technicians to handle heavy vehicle battery and transmission with less effort. The capacity of the lift table is 1.2 tons with adjustable working height. Its minimum height is 800 millimeters and can be lifted up to 1,800 millimeters max. The platform UDP7 is a multi-angle and multi-direction lifting table. It is adjustable to meet the diverse angles, giving a steady holding of battery or transmission. The lift table provides a safe and efficient solution for under-vehicle tasks such as engine, transmission, hybrid battery, and subframe works to be carried out. For a convenient observation of leveling of the platform, we place a gradienter on the lift table. The uniformly distributed threaded holes are cleaned up for attaching a wide variety of supports. The table is double safety guaranteed by both hydraulic and mechanical safety locks. Remote controlled by the operator is allowed. Most jobs can be handled by one person. DP7 is your trusted partner for a fast and secure removing and mounting vehicle battery and transmission operation. Maintain a transmission and electric car battery. try our UDP7 lift table.
Okay, so now after learning about all the different models of 2D series, now it comes time for me to introduce you our two-post lift 2DUS model. So first of all, I would like to ensure you that all of our equipment is 100% CE standards. Of course, we can also follow your requirement. For example, your market has a specific requirement for other certificates. For example, like the TUV or EAC, we can do that for you. As far as we know that we also have WDK or other certificates that specifically meet the requirements of other markets. So just talk to our representatives. Now come back to the product 2DUS. So firstly, this is the product. It can have an optional oil drainer to work together. And the lift capacity here is 4,000 kg for ton, so that is very strong. And we also ensure you with the safety design and with very strict quality check and inspection, so you can reassure about that. Now, I would like to talking about the maximum height. It is 1,930 millimeter. It is enough for almost all operators or technician guys to work beneath the vehicles very safe. And the width for the cars to move through these two posts is 2,500 millimeter. So that means it can meet with your demand of almost all different types. So all the repair shops can satisfy their needs by choosing these two-post lifts. Besides that, the minimal lifting height, it is only 90 millimeter. As far as I know, with the improved life quality, a lot of people think that low chassis vehicles are really cool. So with the minimum height of only 90 millimeter, so you can ensure that the low chassis vehicle can also operate quite well on this car lift. Next, I would like to let you know that the installation of this machine, it is also very easy. And that with the single point lock release, it's easy operation and also saves a lot of efficiency as well. Now I would like to invite my colleague, the engineer Klaus, to come with you, and we will share with you some details of these two-post lifts. So just like I have mentioned, we are 100% CE. As far as we know, all markets, especially like European markets, American markets, and also Chinese markets, Asian markets, everywhere, we think safety is the biggest concern. You need to have a 100% safe machine to ensure the well-being of your technician guys. And also, you need this to protect your reputation. So let's see how many key factors we have to ensure the safety and security of your people. So first of all, our equipment have a high limit switch. So we have a high limit switch. So that means when our vehicle have been lifted to a certain height, it will automatically stop, so that can avoid the vehicle to be lifted beyond the capacity of the equipment. This can avoid the damage to the car and also ensure the safety. Next one, I would like to show you where are our car door protection. So as you can see, it's on both sides of the posts, one on the left, one on the right side, to ensure that the car door will not collide with the column. This is also one of the CE standard as well. Next, I would like to show you the arm locking. So it will automatically lock here. Chain protector, which is behind this cross. So you see that I would like to show you the lifting path. So my colleague, Klaus, is adjusting this lifting path for you. So it is very easy to move and can satisfy all your operation demands as well. And we have adjustable two-stage arms. So we can also bring you the length, we can also adjust the length of the arms according to your needs. So here, just like I have mentioned, we can provide you both symmetric and asymmetric to satisfy with your needs. This is very, very convenient. And also, we have the dust protection as well. It can ensure that the components inside can have a longer service life. The single manual lock here is very easy to control. So anytime you operate on this machine, you can be 100% reassured that it's 100% safe. And now I would like to let you know that all the balance group equipments, we have very strict auto inspection. Before we ship these products to you, we have the inspection concerning the appearance, packaging, and everything. So when we ship that to you, you can already put that and work in your workshop, 100% convenient and easy to operate. We just want to be your best and most reliable friends. So after that, I would like to let you know that the after-sales service is also extremely good, especially for the maintenance of any components inside, especially for the sliders. It's much easier and convenient. If you are interested to learn more tips about these products, please come to the Instant Messenger to talk with our sales representatives, and then you will have a one-to-one chat. Not just learning about all the details of this equipment, you will also have the chance to get the best discount and promotion. So just try your luck. Thank you very much for watching. And after that, I will share with you another products. Thank you.
It's the way it is.
UT40A is a 4 tons car lift with electric lock release and electromagnetic lowering valve. The lift standard equipped with an aluminum motor to ensure a durable product life. Symmetric arms can be extended or folded so that all arms are the same length. If the most vehicles that you are lifting are light trucks, vans or other longer types of vehicles, then asymmetric arms are available for your options. These adjustable screw lift pads give an additional 3 of lift. We provide 4 PCS of 70mm adapters as standard. Or you can order 100mm adapters for options. The minimum height of machine is 110 millimeters. It allows technicians to deal with low chassis vehicles. Arm locks engaged automatically when ascending. Car door protection and arm pads are equipped to give vehicle well protection. Synchronization and chain protector make lift rise and fall more smoothly. With roof protection and height limit switch, it eliminates the risk of oil cylinder and the vehicle damages. Dust protection keep the inside of column clean and extend machine life. It also allows technicians to disengage both columns simultaneously to lower the lift from the control console.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now comes our best seller in Europe. It's our UT40EA archetype two-post lift. These products really have a huge reputation in Europe, and our customers extremely like the design and the great features and characteristics of these products. As I would like to say that these products not just sells good, it's also very flexible because we provide with our customers a lot of customization services as well. If you are interested to learn more details about these products, just follow me. So firstly, I would like to give you a general introduction. So this product is an archetype. It is very strong, also with the electric lock. The lifting capacity, it is 4 times as well. Just like I mentioned before, almost all products from our factory is 100% CE standards, and we can meet your requirement in the local markets to provide you with different certificates. Now, I would like to ask our engineer, my colleague Klaus, to do some demonstration for you so that you will have a better understanding of our products. So first of all, these products, it is very tall. It's 4 times capacity, and the maximum height, it is 1975 millimeter. Now, Klaus is operating the machine for you, and you will see that it is slowly moving up. But with a high limit switch, when it lifts to a certain height, it will automatically stop. Because we know that if that is an SUV car, it will hit. If there is no such safety design, it will hit on the top of the column. So that will be the damage to the cars, and customers don't want it. But with our high limit switch, first of all, it will ensure that it automatically stops at a certain height, and also with the top beam design. This one can also ensure that the ceiling of the vehicle will not hit on the beams, and that will avoid the damage to the cars. And next, this two-post lift is just like the one I showed you before, also have the car door protector. So here, the camera can see that on the left side and on the right side, there are 2 car protectors to ensure that the car doors will not bump into the column. So this can also ensure the safety of operation and also protect the customer's vehicle very well. Next, it also have the arm pad. So our engineer Klaus will also show you the arm pad is here. See, you can have a closer look. So with the arm locking system, just like here, you will see when it is descending, and it will automatically locked. And the minimum height, it is 10 millimeter. As far as we know that with the improved life quality, right now a lot of people think that the road chassis vehicles are really cool. So for the minimum height of 110 millimeter, it is not just easy for operation, it is also 100% suitable for the operation and maintenance of the low chassis vehicles. And next, I would like to ask our engineer class to show you with the foot protection. So here, the camera can show you that on the both left side and right side, there are two foot protection devices. And then there are extendable two-stage arms. And we can also adjust the length of the stage arms according to your needs. Next, we would like to let you know that we have a dual cylinder. We have a dual cylinder design, and this is also very important to ensure the safety during the operation. And then the safety valve as well. So these are behind these two cloths. The chain protector, the anti-slippage, and for these devices, we also have a very special tip. We have the grease nipple design. So that adjustable lifting pads. Again, this is the same factor that we had on the other two posts. Now, on one side of these two posts, we have one urgent stop button. So this one, it is also to ensure the safety. I would like to let you have a closer look. So once anything happens, you can just simply press this button, and it will provide you with urgent stop. Next one, dust protection again. On the both sides, there are dust protection on the cloth. Yeah, it can ensure the longer life cycle of the products. And next, this one, it is electric locked. Here, yeah, very easy operation. So just like I said, these products sells very good in Europe. It is our best seller. A lot of customers turn to us when they buy these products. They also ask for some customization as well. We can provide you with a color customization and offer you some of the optional accessories as well. For example, if you need a aluminum motor, you can talk to us. You can go to the instant messenger and go to a one-to-one chat with our sales representatives. We can provide you with an optional aluminum motor. And the other customers have asked us to do a H-type base for him before, because he said that his market needs a very strong design, a special H-type base. So I just give you some example. No matter what kind of requirements, you can just talk to us and let us know. We're very happy to help and ensure you the great reputation and convenience of your workshops. So now, so much for today's two-post lifts. Thank you very much for watching. Now we're slowly moving to the last thing that I would like to share with you. This is our single post lift. If you are interested to learn about these products, go to the instant messenger, talk with our sales representatives. There will be somebody very happy to help with you. Thank you for watching our live streaming on Canton Fair. We are here to serve you. The philosophy of Balance Group is we always serve you with care, united with the strength. We are happy to see you here on the Canton Fair, and let's become the long-term, most loyal partners. Thank you very much for watching again.
UT40A is a 4 tons car lift with electric lock release and electromagnetic lowering valve. The lift standard equipped with an aluminum motor to ensure a durable product life. Symmetric arms can be extended or folded so that all arms are the same length. If the most vehicles that you are lifting are light trucks, vans or other longer types of vehicles, then asymmetric arms are available for your options. These adjustable screw lift pads give an additional 3 of lift. We provide 4 PCS of 70mm adapters as standard. Or you can order 100mm adapters for options. The minimum height of machine is 110mm. It allows technicians to deal with low chassis vehicles. Arm locks engaged automatically when ascending. Car door protection and arm pads are equipped to give vehicle well protection. Synchronization and chain protector make lift rise and fall more smoothly. With roof protection and height limit switch, it eliminates the risk of oil cylinder and the vehicle damages. Dust protection keep the inside of column clean and extend machine life. It also allows technicians to disengage both columns simultaneously to lower the lift from the control console.
Hello everyone, this is in Qidong area of Jiangsu Nantong. We're here at the production site of Balance Group. As far as we know, the Balance Group have different factories in Shanghai, in Guangzhou, and in Jiangsu. This one is in Qidong, which has 39,000 square meters, a very big production site. We have our vehicle lifts here. In our factory, we always serve our customer with care and with very unique, talented, and innovative design. And we have strong power in R&D. So please come to our live streaming of the 127th Canton Fair. You will enjoy all the great introduction of the products that made here and the other production site of Balance Group. See you in Canton Fair. Hope you will enjoy. This is really a very busy workshop. We are still in Qidong production site of Balance Group. This is the auto bending area. The machine works here ensures best quality and precision of bending operation. The precision can reach up to 0.5 mm. With 100% CNC control, the highly automation level guarantees the efficiency and consistency of the finished products. Now we are moving to auto welding area. This is the welding machine. It can ensure high precision during work. The quality of the finished products is very high. The consistency and reliability of our auto welding capacity made Balance Group famous around the world. Now I would like to show you some of the products we made. Please take a close look to the weld seam. It's quite neat and bright, almost shining. The customers are extremely satisfied with this perfect welding effect. This is the spray coating line of Qidong production site. We have been working hard to provide you with the best quality in every finished product. The inspection of products are extremely strict. You can see that the coating line is really long, and the color looks quite beautiful and flawless. We have won tremendous recognition of the smooth coating surface among our customers. Welcome to Balance production site to learn more about our spray coating line.